Good morning, student. Today we will going to discuss on the topic departure procedure. See, what is departure procedure? The departure procedure is a process when the guest is going to check out from the hotel, or it is the last phase of the guest cycle. That is called the departure procedure. Now come to the second slide. That is the guest departure stages of the guest cycle involves several procedures designing to simplify checkout and account settlement. These provides include the inquiry about the additional recent charges. Second is the posting outstanding charges. First topic is the what is the additional recent charges. The front office agent should check or inquiry about additional recent charges before settling the guest account before they are going to check out. Second, posting outstanding charges. After inquiring about the charges, the front office agent should post all the outstanding balance to the guest folio. It is very important task of the checkout because once the account is settled down, no amount can be added to the guest folio. Now come to third slide, verifying the account information. The front office agent should check or verify guest account information properly because or before settling the guest account at zero, because any amendment or cancellation cannot be performed once the guest account is settled by the agent during the checkout. Come to fourth presentation, that is presenting the guest folio to the guest. The front office agent should present the guest folio to the guest after all verification and checking or completing by the assistant. The various methods in which the guest can settle the bill are as follows, that is by cash they can settle the bill, by credit card they can settle the bill, by bill to company they can settle the bill, direct bill transfer they can settle the bill, or they can do the combined method, that is some of the payment they can do by cash and some of the payment they can do by their credit card or something else. That is the preparing the guest folio. Then the next come to next slide, that is a checking for mail and message and fax of the guest. See, after presenting of the guest folio, the front office agent should check for any guest message, fax or mail. They should be handed over to the guest before checking out. Then the checking for safe deposit box or in room safe key. Another important responsibility at the checkout for the front agent desk is to check guest valuable or any belongings lying in the safe deposit box. If any articles are found, it should be handed over to the guest. Front office agent should also be secured in room safe key from the guest. Now, let us move to next slide, that is securing the room key. As you know that the room key play a vital role. Therefore, the guest should be hand over the room key at the front of his desk before checking out of the hotel. Then updating the room status. After completing of checkout procedure of the guest, the front office staff should update the room status from occupied to a vacant room on the system. This will help the housekeeping department for cleanliness and maintenance of the room as soon as possible. Now come to next slide, that is inquiring about the guest stay and experience. That is the final stage of the guest cycle. That is after checkout of the guest, the front office staff should call or send a mail to the guest regarding his or her stay in the hotel. This procedure is followed to ensure that the guest will return to the same hotel for further stay. Now the next slide is that requesting the guest to complete a guest survey card. That is the front office staff should request the guest to complete a guest survey card or the feedback form. Then the last is the updating the guest history file. After all procedures are completed, the front office agent should create or update the guest history card for further use or for the further stay. Thank you, student. That's all for today's class. Thank you.